Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. We've got some very weird groups, or weird words on the left. An ERTZ ending, an ATZ, ITZ, UTZ. Doesn't quite work though, because that one's got an R in it. But there definitely could be something to do with those Zs. Either way, always happy to see lots of Zs in the grid. I've got no idea what this word means. That's a problem, potentially. I'm also very confused about why this is plural. Truffles rather than truffle. That has to be relevant. I just don't know quite how yet. That means fake, and obviously so does that. I suppose toy and dummy could be similar definitions as well. It can be a toy, a dummy, a mock, and a foe. It's worth a shot, I think. It's one away. I feared it might be, because it just feels like one of the Z words has to go in every group. That's not based on anything, but clearly I was wrong about that, which does mean that the Z words are fairly likely to get involved somehow. Why is this plural as well? Plays. Plays. Truffles. Is it one letter away from something? I don't know. I mean, that's one letter away from playa and mesa, which are like Spanish words for various geographical features, or something like that. Utah. I mean, YUTZ is the one that looks most like it could be one letter away from something. Or freet. That's one letter away from chips. Or is it plural? Pomfret. I think that has an ES actually, so maybe it's not one letter away. What about this? I've got no idea what this is. This looks, again, like something where you could change a letter or add a letter to make something. Maybe ersatz is the one that goes with these instead of toy. Maybe that's worth a shot. It is. Okay, I just suddenly had a realization that that's what ersatz could mean, and I just thought toy was the least likely to go in that group if I had to take one out. So yeah, maybe I got a bit lucky by taking the right one out, but it seems to fit less well than the others. Right, at least we've got one group down, but now I have no idea what toy is going to be with. Toy poodle? Tinker Bell? Plays. Yuts. Futs. I mean, a futz is a mess, isn't it? But then, if something is on the fritz, then it's breaking. Whereas, if it's in a futz or a mess, then it's broken. That's my instinct as to what that word means. I could be wrong about futz and yuts. I do still think we're going to be changing a letter or doing something word related to some of these. I just really don't know which. Oh, Ritz and Ruffles. You can take away the first letter to get a casino, but I don't know enough other casinos. Or maybe Lay's, maybe you're making crisps, I don't know, or crackers, because Ritz crackers are a thing and Lay's make crisps. Inca S, I mean, VIS, this casino, Ajit, Ertz, Utz, Ola Inca. Oh, I don't know what the fourth one would be, even if it is that, and it feels like a little bit of a stretch. These are car companies, aren't they? So is Budget. What's the fourth car company? Maybe that's what Yutz is. They're all car rental companies, I think. That's got to be a group, hasn't it? I don't know what the fourth one is. It could be Yutz, Futz, or Dollar. I don't think it's any of the others. But if it is these three plus one of those, and then it's Fritz, Plays, and Truffles, what does that leave? Tinker Bell, Tinker Tailor Soldier Spy, Mess Hall, Dollar Bill, Tinker Bell, Toy Ball. That feels even more of a stretch than some of the other things I've thought of. Let's go for Dollar. Yeah, okay, they are all car rental companies. Now, could it be these three? Toy, Tinker, Mess. I mean, you can tinker around with something, you can mess with it, you can toy with it, you can futz with it, perhaps? So therefore it would be Yutz. It is! And they're all snack brands, as I said. Well, that was one of a couple of things that I said. I've not heard of Ruffles or Utz in that context. But luckily I knew the other two. And I knew that Ruffles sounded like something plausible. Anyway, these are all synonyms for playing around with. Yeah, there we go. So we've solved the puzzle. That was a very tricky one. I don't know how I got away with only making that one error at the start. That is connections in 5. I will take that. Not perfect, but yeah, that was tricky enough that I'll take it. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.